Welcome to a journey of empowerment through fitness. Discover a range of exercises tailored for women's health and well-being. Embrace the balance of mind and body with invigorating yoga practices designed to enhance flexibility and inner strength. Step into a world of strength training, sculpting muscles, and boosting endurance for a healthier and more resilient you. Each workout is a step towards holistic well-being, focusing on women's health and vitality. Join a community of women dedicated to improving their physical health, supporting each other on the path to wellness. Experience the transformation as fitness becomes a lifestyle, empowering women to take charge of their well-being. Discover the beauty of self-care through diverse fitness routines that nurture both body and soul. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine and witness the positive impact on your overall health and happiness. Let each movement remind you of the strength and resilience within, guiding you towards a healthier and more vibrant life. Empower yourself through fitness, celebrating the journey towards a stronger, healthier, and happier you. It's not just about exercise. It's about self-love, self-care, and embracing the incredible woman you are becoming. Take a moment each day to invest in your well-being, honoring your body and mind with movement and mindfulness. The journey to a healthier you starts with a single step, a choice to prioritize your health and happiness every day. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, for each effort contributes to the vibrant tapestry of your well-being. Together, let's redefine fitness as a journey of self-discovery, strength, and unwavering self-care. Join the movement towards a healthier, happier you. Your well-being is worth every step, every stretch, every breath. Embrace the power within you, fueling your body with strength, your mind with positivity, and your spirit with resilience. This is more than a workout. It's a commitment to yourself, a promise to nurture your health and well-being with every move.